The region that is now Congo-Kinshasa has a rich and complex history that extends back many thousands of years. The earliest human presence in the area dates back to at least 90,000 years ago, with evidence of stone tools found at the site of Katanda in northeastern Congo. However, much of the history of the region remains shrouded in mystery. The Congo Basin, where Congo-Kinshasa is located, is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth and has been home to a wide variety of human cultures and civilizations throughout history. Archaeological evidence suggests that the region has been inhabited continuously for tens of thousands of years, with various groups of hunter-gatherers and early farmers occupying the area at different times. It is home to a vast and complex rainforest ecosystem that has evolved over millions of years. The forest is characterized by a dense canopy of trees that provides shade and shelter for a wide range of other plant species, including shrubs, vines, and ferns. Some of the most common tree species found in the Congo Basin today include mahogany, ebony, and teak, which are prized for their hard, durable wood. While it is difficult to know exactly which plant species were present in the region 5,000 years ago, we can make some inferences based on the available evidence. Pollen analysis of sediment samples taken from the region suggests that the Congo Basin was covered by a thick forest canopy even in the distant past. Additionally, researchers have uncovered fossilized remains of plants that suggest that some of the earliest inhabitants of the region may have cultivated crops such as yams, bananas, and oil palms. In terms of medicinal plants, the Congo Basin is known for its rich diversity of plant species that have been used by traditional healers for thousands of years. For example, the bark of the African cherry tree has been used to treat fever, malaria, and other illnesses, while the root of the African ginger plant is used to treat stomach ailments and other digestive disorders. It is also home to a diverse array of animal species, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. Some of the most iconic animals of the region include gorillas, chimpanzees, and bonobos, all of which are closely related to humans and are considered to be among our closest living relatives. Other primates found in the region include colobus monkeys, manger bays, and baboons. In addition to primates, the Congo Basin is home to a wide range of other mammal species, including elephants, hippos, and a variety of antelope species. Predators such as leopards, lions, and hyenas also inhabit the region, as do smaller carnivores like civets and mongooses. Reptiles such as crocodiles and snakes are also found in the region, as are a wide variety of bird species, including parrots, hornbills, and eagles. Its rivers and waterways are also home to a diverse array of aquatic species, including catfish, tilapia, and other freshwater fish. Some species, such as the Congo River dolphin and the African manatee, are found only in the Congo Basin. Overall, the flora and fauna of the Congo Basin 5,000 years ago would have been similar in many ways to the diverse and rich ecosystem that exists in the region today. While we can only make educated guesses about the specific plant and animal species that inhabited the region at that time, the available evidence suggests that the Congo Basin has been home to a complex and thriving ecosystem for many thousands of years. Around 5,000 years ago, the region was likely home to a number of different groups of people with distinct cultural and linguistic traditions. These early inhabitants likely relied on a combination of hunting, fishing, and agriculture to sustain themselves. However, due to the lack of written records from this time period, it is difficult to say with certainty what life was like for these early Congolese people. It is possible that some of the earliest inhabitants of the region were members of the Bantu-speaking peoples who are thought to have migrated into Central Africa from West Africa around 5,000 years ago. These early Bantu-speaking groups were likely skilled farmers who relied on crops like yams, millet, and sorghum to sustain themselves. They may also have raised livestock, such as cattle and goats, and engaged in trade with other nearby societies. Another group that may have inhabited the region around 5,000 years ago were the ancestors of the Pygmy peoples who are still present in the Congo Basin today. These hunter-gatherer societies have likely lived in the region for tens of thousands of years and may have coexisted alongside early Bantu-speaking peoples. Despite the lack of written records from this time period, there is some evidence of early social and political organization in the region. For example, archaeologists have uncovered evidence of complex societies in nearby regions, such as the Kingdom of Kush in ancient Sudan and the Kingdom of Oxum in Ethiopia. It is possible that early Congolese societies also developed complex political structures during this time period, although more research is needed to confirm this. In terms of art and culture, it is likely that early Congolese societies produced a wide range of objects and artifacts, including pottery, stone tools, and perhaps even elaborate sculptures and other works of art. Unfortunately, many of these artifacts have likely been lost over time due to factors such as erosion, natural disasters, and human activity. Despite these challenges, archaeologists and historians continue to study and interpret the material culture of early Congolese societies, drawing on a variety of sources including surviving artifacts, written records, and oral traditions. Through these efforts, we can gain a greater understanding of the artistic and cultural traditions of this fascinating and complex region.